Do you deem yourself a good quality writer? In the era of information technology, online businesses and money-making opportunities are now unlimited. This is particularly accurate for bright, talented, and dedicated webmasters and writers. Webmasters include website experts and virtual assistants. Are you a writer? Do you believe you can earn money at home by selling information products and private label rights, PLR, articles? Well, you can. All you need to know is embedded in the 3 W's and 1 H. 1. What to sell. You can't merely write articles that you think are good quality. You have to first research what people are wanting or needing to understand. Examples of this are the general how-to articles. People are now looking for information on the internet to solve their daily lives questions. 2. Who to whom you are selling. Is your target a group of people who have a hobby of flying radio-controlled airplanes? Or are you selling cars to the rich people in your county? As soon as you know your target market, you must speak their language. Realize how they want your products to be presented. By knowing this, you are doing yourself a favor. You can easily attract your prospects to buy because they can see you know what you are talking about. 3. When to sell the correct product. There is what we call, what is in and what is out. What is in is what you should be advertising. For example, telephones and landlines were in, now they are out. Today everyone uses a cell phone. You must know the right timing for selling your information products and private label rights articles to gain the most number of site visitors. 4. How do you sell and make money from your articles? You have to be a good writer. A good writer knows how to advertise properly and effectively. You can use some techniques on gaining your readers' attention. In short, you must make an impact on them. Make them ask questions. Make them want to come back for more. Never give everything at once. By making them long for more, you are creating another contact and maybe repeat sales. If you are not familiar with how to make a website or blog, you need to learn or pay someone to do it for you. Entering the digital world with info products and PLR articles can make you a lot of money, but you need a place for people to find you. In summary, follow these 4 techniques for writers and webmasters. Realize that by simply starting at selling information products and PLR articles, you can earn a lot of money.